welcome to another CADimensions tech tip. My name is Franco Rotoli, and today we're going to be talking about a sketch tool that may be commonly used but is commonly misunderstood, the trim tool. We're going to start off with this bird's nest here of sketch entities, which you likely will never have in your actual sketches, but it lets me show off some of the really cool features of the trim tool. If we come up here on a sketch toolbar, the trim entities, we actually have 5 different trim tools in one. Starting from the bottom, we can choose trim to closest, and that will allow us to select 2 different entities to trim out and create corners, or just trim out one section at a time. If I do trim away outside, you could select 2 entities, and whenever you click on them, it will trim out anything to the outside. Trim away inside works exactly the opposite way. I can select 2 entities and it keeps what is on the outside of the 2 entities. Corner trim will allow me to make corners anywhere between 2 entities. For example, here and here, it will allow me to make an inside corner, or if I click on the outside here and here, it will allow me to make an outside corner, depending on where on the lines that I click. And the power trim tool will allow me to sketch a line. As long as I hold down my mouse button, I can swipe very easily through many different lines and trim many entities very quickly. And if I don't let go of my mouse button, you can see I'm followed by this red dot. If I go backwards over the red dot, it's a single undo. So if I get too overzealous, we can very easily go backwards one sketch entity at a time and bring those back. The last thing I'm going to talk about is back here on this corner trim entity. If I click on the corner trim and I have 2 pieces of geometry that are not touching, I can actually select on the 2 entities, and the corner trim will actually extend those 2 entities to make a corner. So I hope this quick tech tip allows you to go in and use your trim entities tool to its full potential. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.
Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and our blog for more great content by clicking on the links in the description below.